Hello and welcome back once again to Abby's Fusion Cooking Channel, where good food can set you in a good mood. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my recipes. And if this is your first time of you watching, please do remember to subscribe before you leave. And a warm welcome to you as well. Remember to like and share the videos as well. So as you can see in the video, I'll be making your all-time favorite lasagna. Yeah, if you're ready to learn how to make it, let's dig straight into the ingredients. So I've got here Parmesan cheese, some matured cheddar, fresh lasagna sheets, some grated mozzarella, the ragu or Bolognese sauce, and the white sauce or bechamel. I've got videos on how to make the Bolognese and white sauce, so please watch it to help you make this lasagna. So you start prepping your lasagna by adding your ragu or Bolognese sauce in the dish. Make sure you spread it all over and then add some white sauce. My white sauce has become very thick because I left it to cool down and because I added more flour to my sauce. So spread the white sauce all over as well. Now take your lasagna sheets, place it in the bowl, and then cut off any excess part of the lasagna sheets because you want it to fit in very well. You want it to cook properly, so you don't need any overlapping sides as I'm doing now. Make sure it fits very well in all the corners. You've seen I've added that excess lasagna sheet I took off to cover the other side. Now add the the Bolognese sauce again to this layer. Make sure you put a whole lot of the sauce on the sides. If not, the center is going to be cooked and the sides wouldn't be cooked. It will be hard, especially if you'll not be using fresh lasagna sheets. As I'm doing, I'm trying to put more sauce on the sides. Add your white sauce or bechamel sauce. Italians call it bechamella. So add it to this layer. Spread it evenly as I am doing. You can now add the grated mozzarella to this layer. Spread it all over as I'm doing. The matured cheddar is optional. You can do without adding it, but I'm adding an additional cheese, which is the matured cheddar. So I'm grating it all over. And then I'll be adding some Parmesan cheese. Adding a Parmesan cheese is important, so you definitely need the Parmesan cheese, but you can omit the matured cheddar cheese. So this is it, and continue adding your layers of the lasagna sheets, and adding the bolognese sauce and the white sauce, and finishing it up with all your cheese. I'll show you a different method. If your white sauce turn out to be too thick, what you can do is to add it to the bolognese sauce. So you add it together, like you mix it together instead of putting it in separately as I'm doing. So I'll show you the second method of doing it in this video as well. So this is the final layer. Make sure you add lots of cheese to the final layer. So I'm adding my mature cheddar cheese, and you need lots of the Parmesan cheese on the final layer. So as you can see, I'm grating lots of the Parmesan cheese on the surface. One na kondo. So I would be covering it up with a kitchen foil. Very important. Cover it up tightly with a kitchen foil. So I've set the first lasagna on the side. I'll be preparing the second one using the second method, so we can put it in the oven. So as you can see, I have added the white sauce to the bolognese sauce. So mix it and stir it all together. And you're going to be putting it in the dish. So you see, you don't have to put the bolognese sauce first before putting in the white sauce. I've already mixed it together. The taste is going to be the same. And actually, my husband actually preferred the second one, this one rather. He said it tasted better. So it depends on you. For me, it tasted the same. So you can do this method as well. So the process is going to be the same. So I'll be adding my lasagna sheets, making sure I don't have any excess sides. I'll be adding the bolognese and the white sauce, and the cheese goes on top, and the Parmesan cheese goes on top as well. So it's going to be the same pattern as I did with the first. And of course, make sure you top it up with a generous amount of cheese. Parmesan cheese going in now, and then cover it up as well with a kitchen foil paper. Make sure it's very tight, and it's in the oven. This food can feed about 10 to 15 people. So the first method and the second method goes in now. It took 45 to an hour to cook on gas mark and 6, and the lasagna is ready. It looks so beautiful and so delicious. Yes. Papa. Hey, please do try to make this recipe at home. So I've got the videos on how I make the bechamel sauce and the bolognese sauce. I hope you do give this recipe a try. Please do click on the like button, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye Bye.